Good morning students. Hope all of you are doing good. I am Miss Karima. Welcome to RKP online classes. So students, in the previous class we have studied how to write the 4-digit numbers. We have done it with the help of pictures, with the help of words, with the help of numbers and with the help of abacus. We write the 4-digit numbers. But today our first topic is place value and face value. Before starting our topic, I want to show a pic that will make this point very clearly in your mind. So student, watch this pic. As you can see, all persons have same face, but they have different positions. How? First one is waiter, second one is doctor, third one is nurse, fourth one is lawyer, fifth one is pizza delivery boy and sixth one is army officer. Means they have same face but they are at different positions. So students, as you have seen in the pic, you have seen all of the persons have same face but they have different positions. Similarly, the case will come in the face value. In the face value of a digit is the digit itself. Means if you take any digit in the given number, then what will be its face value? The digit itself. Let's take an example to make it clear. 416. If I take this example and I want to know each and every digit, the face value of each and every digit, then what will be the face value? Right here, face value. What will be the face value of 6? That is at 1's place, that is at 10's place and that is at 100th place. But if I want to know the face value, then the face value of a digit is the digit itself. Means 6 has the face value 6, 1 face value of 1 will be 1 and face value of 4 will be 4. It doesn't matter whether it is present at 1's place, 10's place or at 100th place. The face value of any digit will be the digit itself. So students, let's take more example to make clear the face value of the digits in the given number. As I have already told you, the face value of any digit in the given number will be the digit itself. Like you have given some numbers and you write the face value of colored digit. As you can see, there is red colored digits whose face value is to be written. So 1209, I have already told you whether the digit comes at 1's place, at 1000 place or at 10's place. The face value of digit is the digit itself. So just write the number here. It will be the face value. So in this number, first of all read this number. 1209. Or you can take the help of place value chart to read the number. But if I want to know the face value, the number will be the itself. So write the number 9. Similarly, in 3 is present at 1000 place, but we don't need to know the position. We just write the number. This will be the face value of the digit in the given number. So what will be its face value? Its face value will be 2. Similarly, you can do these questions by yourself. So students, as I have studied the face value, but now our second topic is the place value. Place value means what is the position of a digit in the given number. So place value is the value of the digit according to its position in the number. It may be ones, tens, hundred. It depends on what position the digit comes. In Indian numeral system, we have 9 periods like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, like this. But we will study only the 4 values up to the 1000 only. This is the places in a given number that I have already told in the previous lectures. So when at one's places, if any number comes at one places, like I take an example to make it clear. If I take any number 1, 3, 5, 7. So read this number 7,000, 500, 3 tens and 1 ones. You read like this, but what will be its place? 1 tens means if you say any number 1 tens means you will multiply this number with the 1. You will multiply this number with the 1. When any digit comes on tens place, you say 3 tens means you will multiply this number with the 10. Again same, at 100 place you will multiply this digit with the 100. Similarly, you will multiply this number with the 1000. At every time from the ones, when come to tens, 10 number increases. Means 10 number is multiplied. Again 10 number multiply. When 10 is multiplied with 10, 100 comes. And when 100 multiply with 10, then 1000 comes. Means if I read this number, I will say 1 once, or when you multiply this, you will say direct 1. Again, when I say 3 tens means either you say 3 tens or you multiply this number with this, then you can say 30. Same, if I say 500 means 500. Either say 500 or you can multiply 5 into 100, 500. Same, if I say 7,000, either say 7,000 or just multiply this 7,000, right? So if I want to know the place value of each digit, place value. So multiply this, 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 10, 30, 5 into 100, 500, and 7 into 1000, 7,000. Means if I ask you the place value of 1, what will be the place value? 1. Or you can say 1 once. If I say the place value of 3, then what will be the place value of 3? Either say 3 tens or can say 30. If I ask you the place value of 5, then what will you say? 500, or you can say 500. Like 500 or 500, like this. If I say the place value of 7, so you can say 7,000 or 7,000, like this. So students, hope this will clear you. So students, we have studied the place value, how to write the place value of any digit in the given number. Here some examples are given to you and you have to find the place value. So shall we start? Okay, just write here place value. Means if I want to know the place value of this, you know, in the place value chart, what position of digit comes? Ones, this is tens, this is hundred, and this is at thousand place. So, from the ones, what will you write? 9 ones, or 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 9. You can say either 9 ones or 9. Both are correct. Similarly, at 100 position, you can write 6 tens, or as I have already told you, when any digit comes on tens place, then you will multiply it by 10. So, 60 will come. So, you can write 6 tens or 60. Both are correct. Similarly, 400, you can write 400 or 4 multiplied by 100, that is 400. Both are correct. Write like this or like this. But you should prefer this 69 and 400 like this. At 1000 place, you can write 5000. Means 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000. So students, hope this will clear to all of you. You can write either in words or at numbers. Both are correct to you. Let's take one more example to make it clear. This one example is given to you and you have to find the place value of every digit. Write here place value. 2 is present at what? At what position? Yes, it is at ones place. So 2 ones. Either write 2 ones or 2 is multiplied by 1. That is 2. 0. 0 is at what? It is at tens position. So 0 tens, or 0 is multiplied by any digit, 0 comes. So you can directly write 0. It doesn't need 0 10, 0 100. It is 0. Same 400. Either write like this or just digit is multiplied by 100. You can write 400 like this. Similarly, 7000. Either write like this or just multiply this digit with the 1000. 7000. So students, you can see the digit that is multiplied with 1 at ones place, the digit multiplied by 10 at tens place, the digit multiplied by 100 at the 100 place, and the digit multiplied by 1000 at the 1000 place. So if I want to make it very fast, then how can I make it? If I don't want to know every digit place value, want to know just one place value, then how will I make it fast? students, we have find the each place value of each digit in the given number. But if I want to know the place value of single digit in the given number, then we can formulate one formula here. How? This is the formula, means place value is equal to face value into the place. Means face value, what is face value? Face value of any digit is the digit itself. Let's take one example. If I want to know the place value of this digit, then take face value. Face value is the number itself and into the place. Means what is its place? Ones, tens, 100. What is its place? 100. At 100, we will multiply with 100. So 300. We have done it. Either write 300 or 300 like this. This is just a summary, or you can say brief, that you have already studied. Similarly, what is the what is the place value of this digit in the given number? So first count ones. This what will be its place? Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So according to this, what will be its place value? Just take the face value, means take the digit, same digit, and multiply with the place. What is its place? 1000. So multiply with the 1000. What number will come? 2000. It is not the second formula. It is the formula that was generated. You have already studied. We have written 300 or 300 like this, as I have already told you. Or you can write the digit like this also. So you can use like this, or you can use that we have done it, that formula also. So do these questions by yourself. Now students, as we have learned the place value and face value of the digit in the given number, now our topic almost has completed, but this is a simple question. See, you are to form a number. You have given the places and just write the number in the place value chart. Isn't it? Is it easy now? So start from first. 2 in 1000 place, means at 1000 place what digit will come? 2. 5 in 100 place, means at 100 place what digit will come? 5. At tens place what digit will come? 8. And at ones place what digit will come? 9. Means with the help of the given places, you can write the number, or you can form the number and easily read it. Just read it. 2589. Similarly, 5 in 1000 place, 1 in 100 place, 2 in tens place, and 0 in ones place. Students, just remember, start from the topmost, not at the end. Just start from the beginning. 5 in 1000 place. First of all, write the numbers from the 1000 place. 5120. Don't do that, and don't read from the ones place. It will read also from the 1000 place. 5120. So students, do these questions by yourself.